The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is here, showcasing a breathtaking design and cutting-edge features. To help you keep your new device both safe and stylish, we've compiled a list of the 10 best cases and accessories available. Stay tuned as we reveal our top picks and explain why these choices are perfect for enhancing your Galaxy Z Fold 6 experience. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy AI Ring, your ultimate health companion in a stylish package. This innovative ring is equipped with sensors to monitor your wellness around the clock, acting as a personal doctor, fitness trainer, and sleep expert all in one. Made from scratch-resistant titanium, it's durable enough for everyday wear. The bioactive sensor tracks your heart health, while the accelerometer monitors your movement without any effort from you. It even tracks your skin temperature while you sleep. All this data syncs with your phone, providing a comprehensive view of your health. With up to 2 weeks of battery life on a single charge and water resistance, the Galaxy AI Ring is a functional and fashionable addition to your Z Fold 6. Worried about dropping your Galaxy Z Fold 6? The UAG Civilian Case eases that concern with its durable design that doesn't add bulk. This single-piece case wraps around your phone seamlessly, eliminating the need for stickers or complicated setups. It's lightweight yet strong, absorbing shocks from drops with its specialized materials. The hinge cover operates smoothly, and raised edges protect your screen when placed face down. Despite its robust protection, it maintains your phone's sleek profile, making it easy to slip into your pocket. Whether you're tackling rugged terrain or just being a bit clumsy, the UAG Civilian Case acts as a shield for your phone without slowing it down. For an active lifestyle, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra is the ideal companion for your Z Fold 6. It features the most powerful smartwatch processor and is built from aerospace-grade titanium and cushioning material for durability. The sapphire crystal glass adds extra toughness, while the power-saving mode extends battery life to up to 100 hours, or 48 hours in exercise mode. With various band options and the new One UI, this watch is ready for any adventure, whether on snow-capped peaks or dusty trails. Its bright display is clear in daylight and switches to night mode in low light. The Galaxy Watch Ultra also includes AI-enhanced noise control, heart rate monitoring, GPS navigation, and multi-sport tracking to help you stay on top of your fitness goals. Seamlessly transition between workouts and stay motivated with milestone rewards and workout tracking. For ultimate protection for your Galaxy Z Fold 6, the i-Blason Armor Box is your go-to choice. Designed specifically for the 2024 release, this case provides 360 degrees protection with an internal tempered glass screen protector that resists scratches and shattering. The textured TPU bumper helps guard against drops and impacts, ensuring your phone stays safe. It also features a built-in S-Pen holder for easy access, making it ideal for note-taking and creative tasks. The integrated kickstand supports both horizontal and vertical positions, so you can find the most comfortable viewing angle for any activity, whether watching videos, reading, or working. With precise cutouts for all ports, sensors, cameras, and speakers, the i-Blason Armor Box combines superior protection with functionality, keeping your phone and S-Pen secure and readily accessible. The GEYO wireless charger is a 2-in-1 powerhouse that charges both your Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Buds simultaneously. Say goodbye to tangled cords and outlet struggles. Just place your devices on the pad and watch them charge. With 10 watts for your phone and 3 watts for your buds, it's quick and efficient. You don't need to remove your case, as it works through most, provided they're not overly thick. Its triple-coil design ensures accurate placement, and the smart indicator lights keep you informed. Green for charging, blue for fully charged, and blinking blue if there's an issue. It's like having a personal charging assistant right on your desk. For those who drive frequently, the ANPULES wireless car charger is essential for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. This charger features a built-in supercapacitor, so you can safely remove your phone even after the engine is off. Its automatic coil sensor detects your phone and secures it with closing arms for a firm hold. You can mount it using the suction cup or air vent options, both offering 360 degrees rotation for optimal viewing. The charger holds your phone securely in landscape mode, and the soft silicone arms prevent scratches. Compatible with all Qi-enabled devices, The ANPULES wireless car charger ensures your phone stays charged and within reach while you're on the road. Keep your Galaxy Z Fold SIXS screen in pristine condition with the Fotbor Screen Protector. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included alignment kit, which ensures bubble-free placement. This protector enhances privacy, so only you can view your screen from various angles, keeping your information secure. Made from heat-resistant nanomaterials, it's flexible and durable, providing full coverage and seamlessly folding with your screen. It's explosion-proof and scratch-resistant, offering top-notch protection against drops and scratches. The included camera lens protector, made from 9H tempered glass, shields your lens from scratches without compromising photo quality. With Fotbor, you get comprehensive coverage and robust protection. Experience every nuance of your music with the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Featuring dual speakers in each earbud, they deliver crisp and clear sound, letting you hear details you might have missed before. These buds adapt to your environment, blocking out noise when it's loud and letting voices through when someone is speaking to you. They can even translate languages in real time. The design is comfortable and secure, with simple tap and swipe controls. Whether you're working out, commuting, or relaxing, these smart earbuds enhance your listening experience with exceptional sound quality. If you've ever wished your Z Fold 6 could attach to things, the Tes Magnetic Case makes it possible. This clever case uses powerful magnets to hold MagSafe accessories securely, but its benefits go beyond sticking power. It's incredibly durable, surviving 8,000 drop tests, and features raised edges to protect your screens and cameras from scratches. It even includes a built-in S-Pen holder, so you won't misplace your stylus. At just 0.4 inches thick, it adds minimal bulk, letting your phone's sleek design shine through. When it's time to clean your phone, the case easily pops off without any sticky adhesive. With the Tes Magnetic Case, you add functionality without sacrificing style. Can't decide on just one look for your Galaxy Z Fold 6? Samsung offers a variety of cases to suit your style. First up is the S-Pen case, perfect for keeping your stylus close while maintaining a stylish look. Next, the silicone case provides a soft, comfortable grip and includes a built-in stand for hands-free viewing, ideal for movie nights. For those who prefer a sleek profile, the Kind case is thin, elegant, and available in a range of colors, giving your phone a second skin feel. If showcasing your phone's design is more your style, the Clear case offers protection with a transparent look and a handy strap for a secure grip. Each case is designed to fit your Z Fold 6 perfectly, allowing full functionality while giving your phone a fresh look every day. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.